In front of me is Honor 8, and let me show you how to activate quick call-in feature on this device. So the whole operation is super quick and easy, because all you need to do is to open your phone dialer, tap on more icon then, and tap on settings. Now reach quick call-in right here, and then select the switcher. And from now on, it is turned on. So you'll be able to easily make your phone call super quickly with your device's screen turned off. Then whenever you would like to switch off this feature, if you'd like to turn it off, just unmark the switcher, and that's it, that would be all. So this is the super quick way of turning on and off quick call-in. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.